People sometimes get charged with burglary. What is a burglary? Technically, a burglary is a felony charge, some type of felony charge that happens inside a structure, like an office, a house, a building. So technically, if I slap you inside a building, you can get charged with an assault charge, but you can also get charged with a burglary. It doesn't typically happen. Most of us, practically speaking, when we think of a burglary, they are third or fourth degree crimes if they're superior court. If they're municipal, on the municipal level, that usually has to do with the severity of the crime or the amount of money. So a lot of times you'll get a burglary if people are like breaking into cars. Why? Because it's in a structure. Breaking into a garage. Home invasion / burglary, going into a house and doing things like that. Now, sometimes people talk about burglary and robbery in the same vein, but they are very different. A robbery is much more serious because it involves some type of assault. It could be like, breaking in somewhere and assaulting someone while you're stealing. Where burglary, for the majority of times, means you're stealing something, even inside a store. A lot of times it gets labeled as a different theft crime, shoplifting. You see more burglaries inside of houses or inside of like a vehicle or an office. There are serious charges on the third degree level. You're facing 3 to 5 years in prison. On a municipal level, it could be up to 6 months. The maximum time in any municipal charge is 6 months in a county jail, not in a prison. However, typically people don't normally go to even the county jails typically. It happens sometimes, probably 1% of cases or less on the municipal court level, unless they are like the driving are suspended for multiple times or like a DUI. But for the crimes, if it was that important a crime where you might do time, it would be pushed up to the indictable or to the superior court level.